KOAM News now, Joplin News First. A familiar place that we've been many times before. This is K Highway, the railroad overpass, and a box truck here is taking out an I-beam. If you can see, this I-beam normally goes right here underneath the bridge. It's sort of like a blocking I-beam though, for this purpose. So it would strike the I-beam before it really struck the bridge. We'll be out here doing some work soon, but as of now, the trains are still passing through. You can see, it's pretty obvious, right? Watch that height. Clearance is 10 feet. So we're near Seneca, Highway K. We have more details for you. KOAM News Now, Missouri State Highway Patrol are here at the creek. Woo. We're ready to jump in.